in this video we will discuss the thicken command. Okay, so for thicken command we need the existing surface or the quilt. Okay, so and now here you can see that this one is a surface, or you can say quilt, complete quilt is there. So generally in Creo we called surface as a quilt. Okay, so this is the quilt, and you can from here you can select the quilt. Okay, complete quilt. Okay, so here I have selected. Now you can see the thicken command is activated now. So directly you can thicken on, because this surface you can see this one is a negligible thickness, or you can say zero thickness. Okay, so here we need this product with some thickness. Okay, so after selecting the thicken, now you can see this surface is converted into a solid part, and here you have the option, you can thicken outside or you can thicken inside. Okay, and if you see here, now here this third option is symmetric to the surface, means both the side it will equally distribute the material. Okay, and now here you can see that it is converted into the solid. Okay, so in this way this thicken option we use only to convert the surface into some thicken part. Okay, and this command is very useful while converting any surface into some thicken part. Like this command is very useful for the sheet metal product. Okay, so we generally create the complicated form sheet metal component into surfacing. We create the complete component in surfacing, and after that we convert into the solid form by using the thicken command. Okay, so this command is very useful, and this is very simple command. Okay, directly for that you need only the complete surface, and after that you can directly thicken the command. Okay,